guys, it's Friday today, so I'm going to the gym. And let's go. I'm going to get ready.
2,000 years later.
So magdadamit na ako and I'll be right back.
To be all around, I make my mama proud. Kaya plus ko lang palagi, di na iilan.
So let's go to the gym now. So see you at the gym. So we're here na at the gym. Sa bathroom ako. Nahihiya ako outside ng video. So I'm here now at the gym. I'll show you my workout. Hindi lahat, but I'll show you. Okay. Right here, I'm doing warm up kasi chest day tayo today. So, hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung warm-up ko. Basta yun na yun. Hindi lang naman yan yung warm-up ko dahil hindi ko na din nabidyohan yung iba. Ang first workout natin is incline. So, and next workout is this. I don't know kung anong tawag sa kanya. Basta para kang lumilipad. Hindi, eba lang. Basta yan. Ang ginagawa ko lagi is 12 reps and 3 sets. Yun. Hindi na ako nagpalit kasi nakaumulan. So, I'm labahin. Hindi tayo mayaman. So, we're going to Walter Mart. Kami tuloy sa Torres. So cloudy. After gym, ice cream. Ano? Okay. Chocolate dip na daw po parehas. Sa'yo na yan first. Here, I bought salmon for dinner after namin kumain ng ice cream. Ang bilis, diba? Nasa bahay na ako. Luluto muna ako and kakain. This is what I eat, guys. It's salmon and I made cheese corn and rice. There you go. I'm gonna eat now. And bye, guys.